To automatically mute all sound when you leave home using routine in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, you can use the stock routine called mute when you go out. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then select routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap compass like icon at the top right to see the list of the stock routine available. Tap more accessible and then select mute when you go out. Next, tap place, select home, and then select when I leave to make sure that this routine will be enabled when you leave your home. Next, tap done button to save the change, and then tap save button to add the selected routine to your routine list. Go back to the routine screen to see that the selected routine has been added. From now, when you are leaving your home, the mute when you go out routine will be enabled and your phone will automatically mute all sound. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.